Members, today we are going to see how we integrate using factor formula. Now, we integrate using factor formula. The idea is simple. Now, to this factor formula, it's hard for us to integrate when we have a product of two trig functions, like in this case. So that's why we bring in factor formula to separate them into and then bring them into a sum. So if you have sine A cos A, this is how we handle it. Then cos A, cos B, you have cos. Then sine A, sine B, you add the angles, then you subtract them by the minus. Now, you start a 2 is constant, but if you have where you start realizing a 2, or you start by creating a half this side. So create a half this side, then you have this. You start now I have sine, meaning I was missing a negative 2. That's why I have to create a negative half. Then cos of a negative is the same as cos of a positive, and sine of a negative angle is the same as negative sine of that positive. Also, our integrate sign is this. We get integrate sign, we get negative 1 over k cos x. We integrate cos, we get a positive sign, of course, after shaping the angle. Now, start here. Start I have sine cos. It's the same as sine cos. So, I have mine already. So, meaning that I'm just going to add. So, this will be the integral of. You get sine, now to be sine of, you add this angle. So I have now x plus x, which will be 2x. Then plus, I also have then sine of x minus x, which will be 0. Now they all will be with respect to x. So sine 2x is here, dx, then plus. You start when you integrate this, is that sine of the 0 is 0. So that one is going to stop at that. And now we saw how we integrate this. When you integrate this, you say you get negative 1 over k. So that our k here, the coefficient of x is 2. So this will be now equal to negative 1 over 2, then cos 2x plus a constant of integration. When I come to this, is that now my 2 is missing. So if my 2 is missing, I start by creating a half. If a 2 is missing, I start by creating a half the other side. So now this will be a half into now the integral. Now you add the angle. So you get this to be now sine of now 2x plus 5x, that will give me 7x. Then plus sine of now 2x minus 5x. It will give me negative 3x dx. So this will be a half now, integral of, this will be now, we separate now. Now say sine of the negative is the same as the negative side of that angle. So we pull out this negative to bring it here. So now when I pull out this negative, it's going to come here, but remember I'm multiplying by a half, so it will be now negative a half. Then integral sine 3x dx. So this will be now a half into, how we integrate this? We say this is negative 1 over, our case now 7, then cos of 7x. Now minus, a half of course is out, this half is out, minus a half into, I'll be adding negative 1 over, our case 3 now cos 3x, then plus c. Simplifying, this will be negative 1 over 14 cos 7x, then plus 1 over 6 cos 3x plus c. Now when I come to this, you say I have cos, but I'm missing a 2. I have cos, but I'm missing a 2. So this will be now equal to a half. Now integral of, then why am I picking up? Because I'm missing a 2. So now I add this angle. So 2x plus x, I'll be adding now cos 3x. Because it's cos, if it's cos, we add the cos. We subtract the angles, then we add them. So that's why I'm adding this part. This I get 3x, then plus cos, when I subtract them, 2x minus this, I get x. The whole I'm going to integrate it with respect to x dx. So this will be now, this is a half into, when you integrate this, we shall be adding 1 over 3, then sine 3x. When we integrate that, we get n plus this half comes in here. Then when we integrate this, we get sine x, then plus the constant of integration. And this one gives us 1 over 6. 3x, then plus half sine x plus c. Now, when I come to this, you see all I'm having is, it's now my 2 already here, so I don't need now to introduce in the half. But I will say this will be the same as I add this angle plus this, so this will be now cos. Now, if it's cos, you get cos plus cos. So 3 plus 5, that will be 8x dx. Then I separate plus. Now this cos, and this will give me cos now of negative 2x dx. But the same cos of a negative is the same as cos of a positive from here. So now this will be, we integrate this to get 1 over 8, then sine 8x, then plus, we say this will be now the same as cos 2x, cos of that angle. So this will be now 1 over 2, now sine 2x, then plus c. So when we have this is that we now sub sine, if we have sine, we mean we have this one we are missing a negative 2. So this side is by creating negative half. Now integral of, because it's sine, we now add cos and subtract it. To be now this plus this, we get 5x. Now minus, because of sine. With sine, we have now a minus. So now minus, when we subtract them, we get cos x, the whole respect to x. I think you can complete this. So remember, as you look out for the video where we have the partial, factor formula separately. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and wish you the best.